I'm saying every night, we sports ballers. You know what I'm saying? Everybody on Smack B, we ballers.
For the game in there.
My dog Chance right here. My dog Chance, he was #1.
Woo.
We get a copy of those.
Oh yeah.
Finalize tomorrow.
Oh yeah, please. For sure.
Go deep every play. He don't never play, he don't go deep.
Cause that boy got energy, he got stamina. Yeah.
All that weed come out your pores. Tripping, B.
Hey, Big Rude.
This man, he be
Big
hitting
Rude.
football.
Any comments?
Hey, no, this is some bullshit. I'm gonna tell you why. You know what happened? It's called mismatch. Mismatch. Joe Sir saw the whole thing.
Yeah.
Same person catch the same damn ball. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Same person.
My dog ain't gonna talk no shit, but look up Corey Parks on internet. He ain't gonna talk no, look him up on internet.
Hold on. Corey did his thing, but you know what I'm saying? He did just enough. That's it. Just enough.
Yeah, I thought the game was
Hey, no, damn, dog. Hey, you know what? We had a slack on the team. I ain't gonna name any names, but you know what I'm saying? We fucked up. He got bumped. Pearl Harbor. That's his name now. Pearl Harbor.
So who had it for tonight, Frank or Corey?
Who had it for me, motherfucker? Motherfucker. Hey, you out of control. Every time I touched the ball, touchdown. Did you see it? Did you see it? Come on, baby. He couldn't touch him. He's so fast.